Hello everyone, my name is Armin and in this video I'm going to show you how to run an exponential smoothing forecast model in SPSS. As you can see on the screen, I've already run the full exponential smoothing model on the Sentinel-5P tropospheric column density for my study areas. I actually have a paper published on this exact workflow in Ecological Informatics. You're more than welcome to check it out. It's open access. Now, let me quickly walk you through the steps so you can do the same. First, you need to clean your time series data. Here, I'm using monthly averages from January 2019 to December 2023. You can either import your CSV or Excel into SPSS directly or simply just copy paste your time series observations. Then you need to go to data, define date and time variables, and create a proper year, month, date. Now, since I'm using HCHO column density data as an example here, and I know that formaldehyde has a clear additive seasonal pattern, we need to start with analyze forecasting and seasonal decomposition. You need to set your formaldehyde values as the variable and choose additive model and then click OK. This step will be essential in further steps. Now we can build the actual forecast. So go back to Analyze Forecasting and click on Create Traditional Models. Now we need to set formaldehyde as the dependent variable and set exponential smoothing as a method. In the Criteria tab, you need to change the model type to Winters Additive. Note that this option stays grayed out unless you run the composition first. Under the Statistics tab, you can take R squared to see how the model actually fits and get an overall idea of the model's accuracy. You can also tweak plus under its dedicated tab, and you can also save your predictions under the Save tab. And finally, you can define how further we want the model to forecast for us in the time series. I have set the Jan 2026 to have a full year forecasted. Click OK, and that's it. You now have a perfectly fitted Winters additive model with R squared, safe predictions, model fit statistics, and clean 2025 forecast ready for mapping or further analysis. Super simple and takes less than 2 minutes once your data are clean.